Hi, I will demo Copilot Ada from AI4SP, a personal AI trainer available 24/7 to guide your team members on maximizing results with ChatGPT, Claude from Anthropic, Google Gemini, or Microsoft Copilot for M365. You get a private page customized with your logo on which any team member can access Copilot Ada using a password. They do not need to log in or provide personal information. Copilot Ada was designed to be completely private. Team members cannot share your organization's data. They use optimized menus where they select their role and the AI assistant they will use with the prompt generated, their target audience, knowledge level on the subject, and the domain area in which they work. Then they select their task. We list the most frequent tasks done daily by 80% of workers. They also choose an output format and the desired length of the content created. Finally, they choose an intent, formality, and tone for the communication style. Then they click on Generate Prompt and receive an optimized instruction or prompt they can copy and paste into the AI agent you approved for use in your organization. They can download the prompt to create their library of prompts. Your team can create an internal library of prompts on their computers or in your approved storage system. In addition to that, while using the prompts for their daily tasks, they learn how to optimize outcomes with generative AI. They learn by doing, not by watching videos, attending expensive classes, or spending hours online browsing for help. Ada is their co-pilot for responsibly embracing generative AI. To get started, visit copilotada.ai and contact us. Have a fantastic rest of your day.